Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make your text looks like floatings on the video. So here I already have the video, and let's add the text on this video. So you just need to decide which part that you want to text start to be appear, and after that you just need to go click this text button and go click go click add text, and I just need to type the text that you want. And after that you just need to go click this animation, and in this animation you just need to go click this loop, and whenever you come into the loop you just need scrolling down until you found a wave with this type of moving, and then you just need to go click it, and then you need to adjusting that the speed of the animation, make it a little bit slow. And whenever you're done you just need to go back into this tile and go jump into the shadow and choose this black shadow, and adjusting the shadow's intensity on the text, make the opacity coming to compact by dragging this point into the right side. And for the blurry you just need to decreasing the blur, or you can also add in the extra blur. And for the distance, make sure that you got a bit distance, and whenever you're done you just need to go click done. And now you can also adjusting the size. And now let's take a look on the result. So now the text is already floating on the video. That's the way how to make a text looks like floating on the video. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.